Good morning, students. 7th class chemistry, chapter number 3, topic characteristics of a mixture. A mixture has the following characteristics. The components of a mixture may be present in it in any proportion. For example, sugar solution may contain 1 spoonful per cup and another may contain 2 spoonful per cup. We can put 2 spoon of sugar in 1 cup, or we can put 1 spoon in 1 cup. It depends on us. So here we can take any proportion. A quantity depend on us. Through both of them are sugar water mixture. If we take 1 spoon or if we take 2 spoon, when we prepare the sugar mixture, then the sugar water mixture we will call it, and it will be just same, only the difference is that the amount of sugar. Again, air contain more carbon dioxide in cities than in the countryside. In cities, percentage of carbon dioxide is more in the air, and in villages or in countrysides, less percentage of carbon dioxide in air. Next point. The components of a mixture coexist without chemical reacting with one another. So they do not react chemically with each other. For example, hydrogen mix with oxygen without reacting with it. Hydrogen mix in oxygen and it not react with oxygen. A chemical reaction will take place only when a mixture of two gases is kindly, or when an electric spark is passed through it. Similarly, soil does not react with water when they mix to form mud. So soil also not react with water, but soil mix with water. Third point. The components of a mixture retain their property, not loses the property. For example, a sugar solution will be sweet and watery, and a solution of salt will be salty and watery. So if sugar solution you are saying, then it should be a sweet in taste, and if salt, then it should be a salty in taste. So component mixture having their own property and they are not losing their property. The component of a mixture can be separated by physical means. Component we can separate by physical process. Which are physical process? Filtration, distillation, evaporation. For example, soil and water can be separate. We can separate soil and water from muddy water by filtration, and sugar can be separate from water by distillation. So we can use to separate different methods, about which you will soon learn. In fact, depending on the properties of the component, various methods are used to separate them. So we have to see the properties of the component, and then only we can able to separate. Correct process of separation we have to use according to the property. We will soon learn. So these methods of separation we are going to learn. Types of mixture. Mixture are usually classified on the basis of the state of the components if two or more solid are mixed. When two or more solid are mixed, the resulting mixture called as solid mixture. Example, sand and salt mixture. If two or more liquid, then the mixture is said a liquid mixture. If two or more gases, then mixture will say as a gaseous mixture. Beside, there can be solid, liquid, or gaseous, that is solid liquid, solid gas, and liquid gas mixture too can form